And we're back, folks. 2015 Chrysler 200S. So it's the Sport Pack. It's got a perfect Carfax certification. 40,000 miles on this car. Got lightly smoked out windows, gives it that look. Got the sport interior, two-tone blue and black leather. Auxiliary line in, satellite radio, streaming audio. All power options. Power driver's seat, leather wrap wheel, sport tune suspension, auto lights. It's got all the look too. Great on gas. Guaranteed credit approval is available on this vehicle. And it's sharp. You can get in something like this for around $995 starting down. Easy financing terms, couple paycheck stubs. Wow, check it out. It's got the look. Guaranteed credit approval program in full effect on this vehicle. The low average credit will get you in something like this starting at $995 down. Service contract included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline. Awesome Google reviews. Platinum member of the Guaranteed Credit Approval Program. And this is the one, DasCleveland.com. Open today.